Best budget drones. Are you looking for the best budget drones? In this video we will look at some of the best budget drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ryze Tello. Drone with camera, 2K HD FPV drone with brushless motor, altitude hold, gesture selfie, 1 key takeoff/landing, 3D flips, waypoint fly, 2 batteries, foldable mini drones for kids and beginners, black, Blinery X60. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the Blinery X60 foldable drone, designed for kids, beginners, and adults who want a fun and easy flying experience. Equipped with a 2K HD FPV camera, this drone captures crisp, clear photos and smooth videos, making every flight an exciting way to relive memories from above. The brushless motor ensures quieter, more powerful, and longer-lasting performance compared to traditional brushed motors, while optical flow positioning provides stable hovering and improved control indoors and outdoors. With features like altitude hold, gesture selfie, waypoint fly, and 3D flips, the X60 makes flying both entertaining and simple, even for first-time users. Thanks to the 1 key takeoff/landing button, you can launch or land the drone effortlessly, reducing the chances of crashes. The included 2 batteries extend flight time, so you can enjoy longer sessions without interruption. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it portable, and the included carrying case ensures you can easily store and transport your drone wherever adventure calls. Whether you're capturing family moments, learning the basics of drone piloting, or performing aerial tricks, the Blinery X60 delivers a safe, reliable, and fun flying experience for all skill levels. Unfold new possibilities in the sky with this feature-packed mini drone, perfect as a gift for kids, beginners, or drone enthusiasts. Number 2. Holystone HS440. Holystone HS440 foldable FPV drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera for adult beginners and kids, voice and gesture control RC quadcopter with modular battery, auto hover, and carrying case, white. Discover the joy of flight with the Holystone HS440 FPV drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for beginners and kids alike. Featuring a 1080p Wi-Fi HD camera, this drone lets you capture stunning aerial photos and smooth live video feeds directly to your smartphone, making it perfect for sharing memorable moments with friends and family. The HS440 is equipped with voice and gesture controls, making flying more intuitive and fun. Simply raise your hand or speak a command to snap a picture or record a video. With auto hover and gyroscopic stabilization, even first-time pilots can enjoy steady, reliable flights indoors and outdoors. The modular battery design not only extends flight time but also ensures safe charging and easy replacement, so you can stay in the air longer. Its foldable, lightweight frame makes it highly portable, and the included carrying case keeps all components organized and protected during travel. One-touch functions like auto takeoff and landing provide effortless control, while features like headless mode and trajectory flight add to the fun. Durable and beginner-friendly, the HS440 comes with spare propellers, USB chargers, and everything you need to get started right out of the box. Whether you're learning the basics of drone piloting, exploring creative aerial photography, or looking for the perfect gift, the Holystone HS440 delivers a safe, exciting, and easy-to-use flying experience for all ages. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera, under 249G, 62 minutes flight, 4 kilometers FPV transmission, brushless motor, auto return, lightweight and foldable drone for adults, beginners, gray. Take your aerial adventures further with the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, a feature-packed, beginner-friendly drone designed for adults who want to experience high-quality flight without the complexity. Equipped with a 4K EIS electronic image stabilization camera, the Atom SE captures crisp, detailed videos and 12MP photos with reduced shake for professional-looking results. Weighing under 249 grams, this ultralight drone requires no FAA registration, making it travel-ready and easy to carry. Its foldable design and included portable handbag let you take it anywhere with ease. With 62 minutes of total flight time, 2 31-minute batteries, you'll enjoy longer, uninterrupted sessions in the sky. The 4km FPV transmission delivers smooth, real-time video straight to your phone, while powerful brushless motors ensure stable, efficient, and quieter flights with a max speed of 16 meters per second. Built-in GPS-assisted features such as auto return to home, waypoint flight, and follow me mode provide safer, smarter flying, giving beginners confidence and peace of mind. The Atom SE also comes with essential accessories, including a remote control with multiple adapter cables, spare propellers, screwdriver, and carrying case, so you're ready to fly straight out of the box. Whether you're exploring landscapes, recording travel memories, or learning to fly your first drone, the Potensic Atom SE is lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, perfect for beginners who want pro-level features in a compact design. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI Mini 4K drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10 km video transmission, auto return, wind resistance, 31-minute max flight time, gray. Take your aerial creativity to new heights with the DJI Mini 4K, a lightweight yet powerful drone designed for adults and beginners who want professional-level footage in a compact package. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, this drone delivers smooth, cinematic shots with stunning clarity, whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or close-up action. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4K is regulation-friendly and travel-ready, eliminating the need for FAA registration in many regions. Despite its small size, it is built tough with level 5 wind resistance, 38 km per hour, ensuring steady performance even in breezy conditions. With up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking footage. The 10 km HD video transmission provides a reliable, clear live feed straight to your device, so you can frame and control every shot with precision. Smart features like auto return to home, intelligent flight modes, and easy one-tap functions make flying simple and safe for pilots of all skill levels. Its foldable, portable design and included accessories, remote controller, gimbal protector, spare propellers, and more ensure you're ready to fly anytime, anywhere. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and first-time drone users, the DJI Mini 4K combines portability, advanced stabilization, and professional quality imaging in a drone you can carry in your pocket. Number 5. Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 drones with camera for adults 4K, 64 minutes flight time, 2-axis gimbal and EIS 4K camera, 5 km video transmission, GPS auto return, professional quadcopter with level 6 wind resistance, black. Experience professional-grade aerial photography with the Ruko F11GIM2 drone, designed for adults who want advanced features, long flight time, and stunning 4K footage. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, EIS, the F11GIM2 ensures smooth, stable video capture in crisp 8.3 MP stills, even in challenging conditions. With 2 intelligent batteries, enjoy up to 64 minutes of total flight time, giving you more freedom to explore and create without frequent recharging. The 5 km digital video transmission provides a strong, clear real-time feed directly to your device, so you can frame shots with precision and confidence. Thanks to GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, including autofollow, waypoint flight, and point of interest, this drone makes flying smarter and easier. The auto-return function ensures your drone comes back safely with one button press or automatically when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Engineered with level 6 wind resistance, the F11GIM2 delivers reliable, stable performance even in strong breezes, while its foldable, portable design and included carrying case make it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The package comes complete with 2 rechargeable batteries, spare propellers, screws, and tools, so you're fully equipped to take off right away. Whether you're a beginner exploring aerial photography or an advanced pilot looking for professional-grade performance, the Ruko F11GIM2 offers the perfect balance of power, portability, and ease of use.